Hi everyone, I'm Teresa the teacher. Welcome to my video, What Have You Done Today? This video is in British English. Listen and repeat. You will hear every sentence 3 times. Well, 3 times British way of showing. This is the Czech way of showing how many. Listen and repeat. What have you done today? What have you done today? What have you done today? I've had 2 cups of coffee today. I've had 2 cups of coffee today. I've had 2 cups of coffee today. I've walked the dog. I've walked the dog. I've walked the dog. I've done the shopping. I've done the shopping. I've done the shopping. I've bought some food. I've bought some food. I've bought some food. I've sent 5 emails. I've sent 5 emails. I've sent 5 emails. I've baked a cake. I've baked a cake. I've baked a cake. I've eaten 1 piece. I've eaten 1 piece. I've eaten 1 piece. I've done my homework. I've done my homework. I've done my homework. I've broken a cup. I've broken a cup. I've broken a cup. I've fed the cat. I've fed the cat. I've fed the cat. I've had breakfast. I've fed the cat, but he wants to play now. So he's noisy, sorry. I've had breakfast. I've had breakfast. I've had breakfast. I've packed my suitcase. I've packed my suitcase. I've packed my suitcase. I've fixed the sink. I've fixed the sink. I've fixed the sink. But I haven't done the laundry. I haven't done the laundry. I haven't done the laundry. I haven't watered the plant. I haven't watered the plant. I haven't watered the plant. I haven't tidied the living room. I haven't tidied the living room. I haven't tidied the living room. I haven't washed the dishes. I haven't washed the dishes. I haven't washed the dishes. I haven't eaten any chocolate. I haven't eaten any chocolate. I haven't eaten any chocolate. I haven't fed the hamster. I haven't fed the hamster. I haven't fed the hamster. And I haven't washed the windows. I haven't washed the windows. I haven't washed the windows. I've finished. If you want to see some other videos, you can subscribe, you can like, and you can comment down below. You can ask for what you want. I need a video about, no problem. And I'll give you some other videos here. And thank you and see you next time.